For tonight, like what I had told you yesterday, we're going to do two activities. Ya, kita akan melakukan 2 activity. The first one is FGD or focus group discussion, and the second one is presentation. Actually for the presentation I have choose, right? Aku udah milih kan, tapi ini kayaknya belum masuk semua ya. The one that I've choose. Orang-orang yang aku pilih ini baru ada Sis Meifa sama Bro Syahril. And then the other, ya, Sis Nelly udah. Halo Sis Nelly, good evening. What about Bro Cepi? Kemarin sempat. Halo Sis, good evening. Oke, ya gitu ya. Jadi maybe sambil berjalan ya teman-teman. Let's do it with the flow. Kita berjalan dulu aja. I'm going to tell you how like the flow ya. Gimana flow-nya untuk malam ini, and then after that we're just going to, without any further ado, if there any hitting the bus, kita langsung aja eksekusi. Okay, let me show you the presentation first. Yesterday we have done the opinion, yeah, maybe like present your opinion, right? For tonight, this is a little bit quite different. Jadi sedikit banyak berbeda ya teman-teman. Kalau kemarin itu kita lebih kayak ke opini kita masing-masing, which is obviously not hard ya, because that's our opinion. Karena itu opini kita sendiri, ya kan? But now you're going to present ya something. Jadi kalian akan mempresentasikan sesuatu. Ya, well that could be easy for you, that could be hard ya. Mungkin bisa aja susah, bisa aja gampang. But I'm very positive ya, aku sangat positif sih ya that if you work on team ya hand in hand, kalau kalian kerja sama gitu ya bareng-bareng di dalam sebuah tim, it will be easier obviously. Pasti akan lebih mudah ya. Also you got various of sources, diverse of opinion, ya, diverse of evidence, jadi akan lebih mudah pastinya. Okay, then, nah ini, okay, I want to wait for the participants, but it's already 8-9, ya. I don't want to take so long. Okay, Sis Grace, no problem, take your time. Boleh Sis Grace sambil dicek koneksinya secara berkala ya. Okay, no problem, don't worry. Yeah, your voice is a little bit breaking up. Yeah. Okay, Sis Grace, take your time. It's fine. Okay, everyone, can you see the presentation now? This one. Okay, can you see the presentation? If yes, please read the title. Kalau sudah bisa tolong baca judulnya.
Android.
Yes.
Okay, iOS, Android. So this is actually like the highlight ya. Ini adalah highlightnya. Yes, we're going to discuss about a product. Ya, kita akan membahas sebuah produk. Actually, not a product ya, but like comparing two products. Tapi kayak membandingkan dua produk kayak gitu ya. The first one is the iOS, or also known maybe like iPhone gitu ya. Produk-produk iPhone itu iOS, and the second one is Android. Well, before we get into the next one, for those who are iOS user, can you raise your hand kalau kalian pakai iOS? Boleh angkat tangannya. Ini jadi apa ya? Data. Ini nanti bisa kalian jadikan data ya. Okay, anyone with iOS? Are you an iOS user? You can raise your hand with the all of people are Android. Semua dari kalian pakainya Android nih. Oh, this is getting interesting. Ini makin menarik sih kalau semuanya Android ya.
Ya, orang tua rata-rata pakai Android, anak-anak biasanya pakai iPhone.
Ya, iPhone difficult. I think.
Ini interesting karena biasanya gini.
Expensive because
tulisannya little.
very expensive.
Oke, wah ini Bro Syahril sama Sis Lilis ngasih pendapatnya. Ternyata susah pakai iPhone, mungkin nggak terbiasa. Tulisannya kecil-kecil, nggak usah gede-gede kayak Android.
Terakhir saya pakai iPhone yang 5 Plus, 5 Plus terakhir.
Oh my God, that's a very old version though, Sis.
Sejak itu saya nggak mau lagi pakai karena tulisannya terlalu kecil dan semuanya harus beli.
Yeah, that's right. Now, these
Yeah.
days, yeah, I think it was all sold like separately. Semuanya tuh terjual terpisah.
Yeah. But
Oke, wah,
my
berarti
daughter use iPhone.
use
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
Oh ya, kalau anak muda usually just for the
Yeah.
trend, yeah, and just
Yeah,
for the,
trend,
they just follow.
lifestyle.
And
Yeah.
camera.
Style.
And
Camera good, I know. iPhone camera
Nice.
good.
Yeah, the camera, but I think Android is pretty fair lah. Nowadays there are a lot of Android which also has a very good camera, ya. Oke, ini ada Bro Surya juga. Halo Bro Surya, welcome to the class. Good
Hello,
evening.
sis. How are you?
Okay, I'm pretty well. What about you, bro?
I'm great. Like
I'm
pineapple.
great. Okay. Greatnya sambil dipertimbangkan dulu ya. I'm great. Oke, walaupun dipertimbangkan semoga baik-baik saja. Bro Surya.
Great like pineapple.
I see, Bro Surya. Oke, nah ini jadi ini sebenarnya makin menarik karena if you're all are Android users, then this getting on fire, ini getting interesting ya. Ini jadi menarik karena biasanya sudah ada. Usually I already got the team ya. Biasanya aku udah dapet timnya, the Android user and the iPhone user. Okay, so they're fight for their way. Jadi mereka berpegangan sama produknya masing-masing ya. But tonight, in this case ya, malam ini kalian kebanyakan pemakai Android. Nah, kalau gitu I can compel you ya to do something. Kalau gitu aku bisa challenge you to do something later. Okay, let's move on to the next slide dulu. I'm not gonna take so long here. Okay, so today's goal is to comparing features and outlining a professional presentation. Okay, yesterday we have done the opinion, present our ideas, our opinion. Now we're going to try, just a little bit how to outline and features professional presentation. You don't have to worry, guys, because I already got the body. You just have to feel it. Ya, jadi kalian nanti tinggal mengisi aja dan tambah-tambahin kayak kemarin yang kita udah praktekkan. Move on, ya. Did you make the right choice? Nah, ini ada sedikit background-nya aja. And we got the link here, over here. Oh, I cannot see. Oke, nanti ini linknya akan aku copy ke kalian so that you can see this, guys. Jadi kalian bisa tonton videonya ya. Ini nggak akan aku play di main room, tapi nanti aku akan share aja ya ke kalian. Nanti biar kalian bisa lihat sendiri sebagai acuan ya, as your source, sebagai acuan kalian atau sebagai sumber kalian to discuss ya. Okay, how do you know whether choosing an Apple, iPhone, or iOS or Android phone is the right decision? Did you choose the right smartphone? Okay. So in today's review of iOS and Android, we're comparing the software and tech and the gadgets to see if you made the right decision. By the way, have you tried out iOS 13? Nah, jadi ini dia. We're going to we're going to compare not only the gadget tidak hanya gadgetnya sebenarnya, but also the tech here. The technology in it, and then the software, terus softwarenya juga. It is very good if you have like experience on using these devices ya. Kalau kalian udah punya pengalaman memakai device ini, baik iPhone maupun Android, itu pastinya akan sangat mendukung ya teman-teman. Oke, nah ini ada ya. Actually, I hope you can open your model to read this if you want. But I really suggest you to broaden your sources ya. Silakan kalian broaden aja sources kalian biar lebih banyak, biar lebih masuk gitu ya info-infonya tuh anything. Welcome yang baru datang, ada Sis Amalia dan Sis Country. Oke, ini kita baru memasuki. Oke, so for tonight, halo Sis Amalia, good evening. Ya, jadi untuk malam ini kita akan presentasi, tapi produk ya, sebuah produk. Mempresentasikan sebuah produk. Ini udah ada acuannya di sini. We're going to compare between Android and iOS ya, antara Android dan juga iOS seperti itu ya. Nah, oke, ini nanti kalian, one of you can share the model ya and read this, or if you want to capture atau kalau kalian mau capture ini juga boleh. Ini sedikit aja pros and cons, just a little bit. Sedikit aja pro dan kontranya ya. Ini kalau Android itu dia large storage, lebih besar storage-nya. Ya, terus dia cheaper plans juga ya. Nah, ini yang tentang Android ya, ini kontranya di sini ada ya kan. Kalau iPhone ini juga ada lower quality display. Nah, ini ya. Nah, ini kayak pro dan kontranya. Nanti kalian bisa cari research yang lain, sumber-sumber yang lain. You can also add your own like justification. Kalian juga bisa banget menambahkan justifikasi kalian pribadi. If you have the experience to use these devices ya. Nah, ini dia yang harus kalian diskusikan. Jadi kalian nggak usah jauh-jauh, everyone. Okay, try to feel this first. Okay, try to feel this first. Jadi silakan coba untuk isi ini dulu, bagian-bagian ini dulu, ya. Oke, Bro Rahmat, enjoy your dinner. Welcome anyways. Oke, jadi ini, kalian berpacu pada ini ya. Background, urgency, solution, part, justification, provide data, conclude, and persuade. Nah, tambahin persuade. Oke, iOS is the most secure phone. Di sini title-nya bisa kalian ganti. Anything, ya. Are you an iOS supporter or are you an Android supporter? Ya, kalian pilih yang mana. Ya, iOS is the most secure phone. Background-nya apa? Kenapa kalian bisa bilang seperti itu? Nah, misalkan ini aku kasih contoh ya, verbally aja, secara verbal aja. iOS is the most secure phone. Background, because iOS these days, yeah, the latest version of iOS, they have a double security system. Yeah, they use the, the face detector, they use the fingerprint, and they also use what is it called ya? Mereka pakai banyak sekali ya security system, for example, and make sure it can connect to any other iOS devices that we have. So whenever we got lost, we don't have to worry because another iPhone devices will be able to track the iOS or the lost devices. Misalkan seperti itu. Terus urgensiesnya apa nih? Urgensiesnya, oke, karena sekarang a lot of people are busy enough to bring or to carry the big devices like laptop. Many people nowadays prefer to save any of data, any of file on their phone, right? Because it is more easy. That's easier. Yeah, that's easier, and that's more functional, lebih functional, more effective and easier ya. Jadi banyak orang yang menyimpan data-data file-file penting mereka itu di dalam handphone mereka. And then iOS with all of the security system, they can guarantee or even like provide these people with these facilities. For example ya, gitu. Oke, Sis Eva. Nah, terus habis itu solution part-nya. Kalian bisa nih, karena kan nanti kan akan bagi jadi beberapa tim ya. Kalian bisa nih, misalkan kalian angkat, you guys can spot some iOS flaws, beberapa kekurangan iOS. For example, the battery, and then the limited storage. Karena kalau iPhone itu kan kita harus ganti iCloud dan segala macam kan. Nah, itu ya, beli iCloud lagi. Karena sebenarnya mereka penyimpanannya terbatas, walaupun kualitas sistemnya, mesin kameranya bagus. Nah, misalnya gitu ya. Nah, kalian bisa angkat itu, spot the flaws ya, kalian angkat kekurangannya atau kayak minus point-nya, but you give the solution part. Tapi kalian juga kasih solution part-nya. Walaupun baterainya cepat habis, tapi iPhone juga punya apa? Misalnya gitu ya. Walaupun storage-nya juga limited, tapi iPhone punya iCloud. Walaupun, kayak gitu. Nah, ini gabung nih jadinya ya. Solution part dan justification. Oke. And then next one, provide data. Provide data you can comparing. Ya, people, the Android user compare to iPhone users deh, misalkan ya. Makin lama, makin tahun, itu makin banyak penggunanya siapa, misalnya kayak gitu. Makin banyak pengguna iPhone misalkan. Or you can compare with the productive age. Usia produktif ya. Banyak orang produktif dari tahun ke tahun itu lebih banyak memilih untuk memakai iPhone. For example. Anyways, this is not only iPhone ya, tapi iOS secara umum gitu ya. Di sini yang aku kasih contoh itu phone karena ini dia. Phone dia bilang di sini. Ini aku kasih contoh berdasarkan judul ini. Itu datanya, terus nanti conclude and persuade. Ya, jadi kalian mengconclude aja, konklusikan kesimpulannya dari segala isi yang tadi kalian udah tulis itu apa, dan persuade. Nah, persuade itu ya, attract people to use iPhone. Kalian bisa kasih kalimat-kalimat ajakan ya, biar orang itu tertarik untuk menggunakan iPhone. Di kelasku sebelumnya, ini ada banget yang lucu ya. Jadi kalimat persuade-nya itu lucu banget. Jadi benar-benar kayak iklan di TV gitu ya. Nah, kalian boleh banget tuh kayak gitu juga nggak apa-apa. Oke. Nah, that's it ya. Itu aja dari aku. Nanti videonya bentar. Videonya aku akan coba deh. Harusnya sih bisa, tapi kenapa nggak bisa ya? Because I just oke, bentar. Nah, ini untuk aku salin dulu link videonya ya, sebentar. Oke, itu. Discussion-nya, how long ini? 10 minutes? 10 menit cukup nggak? Is that enough, guys? 10 menit? Atau kelamaan? What do you think?
Hmm.
10 menit cukup ya?
Maybe.
Maybe.
I don't know.
Sometimes we want more.
Oke, gini aja. Pacuan pertama kita 10 menit, tapi mungkin nanti kalau misalkan 10 menitnya udah habis, kalian belum selesai, aku kasih ekstra 5 menit, oke? Oke dong. Oke kan nih? Oke, yes. Very simple. Judulnya bisa kalian ganti ya. Judulnya nanti kalian mengikuti aja. I give you a tips, guys. Aku kasih sedikit tips aja. Kalau kalian itu bingung ya, atau kadang nih kalau kita kasih judul dulu, nanti isinya suka nggak sesuai sama judul. Ya, ini sering banget terjadi. Jadi sudah menjelaskan panjang lebar, tapi tidak sesuai sama judulnya. Oke, so my suggestion is, nih, kalian ke bawahnya dulu, dari background ke persuade-nya dulu yang kalian kerjain, nanti endingnya kalian baca lagi, baru kira-kira judulnya yang paling bagus atau yang paling sesuai apa, yang berkaitan sama isi teksnya, gitu ya.
Tetap about
That's it,
about
okay?
iPhone.
You can read this.
Ini
Maksudnya,
about iOS
about iPhone.
iOS and Android, about that, sis.
About iPhone only.
No. Pro and kontranya, sis.
Oh, enggak di sini kok di sini artinya kan tentang iPhone
How is it,
yang
Miss
aman.
Lilis? Suaranya agak kejauhan.
About iPhone, just about iPhone, or apa namanya, perbandingan apa gimana?
Pro dan kontra.
Compare iOS and Android kan?
Atau hanya Android aja hanya iPhone aja yang dibahas di sini?
I'm sorry, Sis Lilis. Could you please repeat? Boleh diulangi lagi? Maaf, tadi aku terputus.
This question just for iPhone, iOS, or compare iPhone and Android?
Yes, iPhone and Android. Jadi kalian iPhone dengan Android ya. Perbandingannya seperti itu. Kalian membandingkan antara iPhone dan Android, mana yang lebih bagus. Jadi ibaratnya kayak versusnya nih.
Gitu.
Versusnya itu. Misalkan if you are with iPhone, kalau kalian dengan iOS, berarti kalian harus bisa membuktikan bahwa iOS ini much way better than Android ya, dengan evidence-evidence yang tadi itu. Or if you're with Android, atau kalau kalian itu memilih Android ya, kalian bisa juga membuktikan nih, why Android is better than iOS. Kenapa Android itu lebih baik daripada iOS. Nah, jadi perbandingannya hanya dua itu, kalian jangan biar nggak pusing gitu. Jangan terlalu pusing gitu ya, nggak perlu membandingkan banyak sekali devices, karena kan sekarang banyak ya. Nah, jadi kalian bandingkan dua itu aja. like that ya. I'm going to divide you into 2 teams. Aku akan bagi jadi 2 tim aja. Oke, ini ada berapa sih? 16? No, 15. 15. Oke, it means 3. Aku akan Oke, sis country. Have your dinner ya, boleh silakan sambil makan malam ya. Ini ada 15, jadi aku akan divide jadi 3 ya. Aku akan divide jadi 3 aja kalau gitu. 5, 5, 5. Each team, okay, please choose 2 speakers. Masing-masing tim silakan pilih 2 speakersnya atau pembicaranya. Oke, perwakilan. Untuk memberikan ide dari masing-masing tim itu sendiri ya. Itu pilih 2 speakers. Okay, choose 2 speakers. And also please give chance to those who haven't present ya, or who haven't perform. Silakan kasih kesempatan juga nih buat mereka yang belum perform. Kemarin aku juga sudah sempat milih kan ya, ada Sis Meifa itu silakan ya. Terus ada juga Bro Syahril ya, silakan Bro Syahril boleh. Terus habis itu ada Bro Chandra juga kayaknya kemarin ya. Ya itu. Jadi each team choose 2 speakers. Jadi nanti bisa dibagi, bebas dibaginya. Okay, that's it. Any questions before I break you into rooms, discussion room? Ada yang mau ditanyakan sebelum aku buka breakout rooms-nya? So far so good.
Yeah,
Okay,
so far
yes,
so
Sis
good.
Nelly, please go ahead.
It's already clear.
It's
Yeah.
already clear. Okay, very nice then. Kalau sudah clear, I'm going to divide you into 3 teams ya. You can choose teman-teman. Kalian bisa memilih, putuskan sendiri ya. Kalian mau with Android or with iOS. Okay, good luck. Nah, ini di room 1 ada Sis Meifa. Sis Meifa sudah pasti jadi speakernya ya. Terus di room 2 ini ada Bro Syahril. Bro Syahril juga automatically become the speakers karena kemarin aku juga sudah pilih ya. Dan yang lainnya, yang keduanya, speaker, the second speaker, nanti timnya bisa memutuskan atau memilih. Okay, have a great discussion everyone. Good luck. Please join your breakout rooms. Silakan pergi ke breakout room-nya masing-masing. For 10 minutes ya. Maximum 15 minutes. Yang baru masuk nanti boleh minta clarify dari teman-temannya aja. Oke, good luck. Hello, Bro Faidin and Bro Rahmat. Bro Rahmat, have you finished your dinner? Sudah selesai, Bro, makan malamnya? Okay, very nice. All right, everyone, I'm going to stay 5 minutes in the main room. So if you have any question, you can give me a sign. Kalian bisa minta bantuan atau kalian bisa kembali ke main room dulu untuk tanya pertanyaannya ke aku. After that, you can go back to your discussion room ya. Jadi nanti setelah 5 menit aku baru visit satu persatu. Anyways, good luck for your discussion. All right, everyone, you have 2 minutes left, okay? 2 minutes left. So please start to fill the, the structure now. Jadi silakan mulai diisi table-tablenya sebagai acuan kalian. Okay, good luck. Welcome back, Bro Surya. Why are you so quick? Cepet banget nih, kayak melarikan diri dari FGD group ya.
Yes.
Are you still working, Bro Surya?
Yes, I'm still working and I'm busy, no. I prepare my report for my owner.
So what time, like how long do you usually work in a day, bro?
I'm start working in 9 o'clock until 6 o'clock, but sometimes I work.
You have overtime ya? Biasanya
Yes,
juga lembur
overtime.
juga ya, bro ya?
Yes. Not usually, but
Sometimes, okay, but I think most of the time I saw you sitting in front of your desktop and doing your work, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, welcome back everyone. How is it? Oh my God, I hear your discussion and I think 15 minutes it's not enough ya. Kayaknya 15 menit bahkan nggak cukup nih. How far is your discussion? Tell me about your discussion development. Perkembangan diskusinya gimana tadi?
Gaptek.
Pretty good? Pretty good?
Gaptek
Yeah,
club.
pretty good.
Gaptek group.
Yeah.
I don't have time to write.
Well, the point you guys, all of you already have such a very good point ya. Kalian itu banyak poin-poin yang bagus. Tadi aku sempat visit juga kan. Poin-poinnya udah bagus banget. That's why I hope that you can lead back to the tadi ya structure so that you won't miss the main info, the main part of your discussion ya. Gitu. Nah, ini also become a lesson. Ini juga jadi lesson ya for the next time when you discuss. Try to answer this first. Jadi coba jawab dulu secara terstruktur. Ya, background-nya apa-apa. Jadi itu diisi dulu, ya kan? Setelah itu terisi, baru kalian boleh discuss and like digging ya, atau kayak menggali lagi nih poin-poin di dalamnya. Okay, well, we still have a quite long time. Ya, we still have around 10 minutes. Kita masih punya 10 menitan. I want one of you, ya, to present your idea. I'm not sure ya, will this gonna be enough or not, but let's try ya. Aku nggak tahu nih, ini akan cukup atau tidak ya. Tapi bisa dimulai dulu dari timnya. I wanna start with anyone who is ready. Siapa yang siap? Speaker yang kemarin aku pilih ada Sis Meifa, Bro Syahril, and
Meifa is
who
ready.
is that? I think Bro Rahmat. I choose you or not, Bro Rahmat?
I'm forget.
Dia shock ya. Aku nggak dipilih. Kok aku dipilih sekarang?
We confused about the
Yes.
Oke, Bro
input to
Syahril,
data
to start first.
to input data to title ya. For example, background, urgencies gitu. Confused.
Ya benar. Kalau nggak terbiasa memang sedikit membingungkan gitu ya tadi. Oke, nah ini coba mungkin boleh dari yang speaker yang aku pilih aja kemarin, Sis Meifa atau Bro Syahril dulu nih yang mau
Oke.
presentasikan ide-ide hasil diskusi timnya.
Oke.
Oke, Bro Syahril, you can start first. Don't forget to introduce yourself first.
Okay.
Singkat aja sama timnya ya, dari tim apa. Oke, please Bro Syahril, go ahead.
Thank you. I want to introduce my group, yeah, group B or C or A, I don't know. About my topics under it is the mass user friendly smartphone. Yeah, everyone these many people use Android phone to do any activities. Terus Android is Android have facilities. For example, they have a storage is bigger than iPhone. Easy to sell, easy to after sales. Cable is cheap than iPhone. Apa lagi tadi? And then cheaper than iPhone. Apa lagi tadi?
You can go ahead, Bro Syahril, no worries. Boleh dilanjutkan.
Oke. Apa tadi?
That's
The
very good
price
point, ya.
competitive,
Cheaper.
yeah. The price competitive atau cheaper than iPhone, ya. Okay, enough.
Okay, wow, that's very interesting. Yeah, a lot of point. Cheaper, easier to sell. Yeah, maybe like a second
The
product. Yeah,
storage
produk
bigger.
lamanya.
Storage is
Bigger
bigger.
storage, long-lasting battery and stuff. Yeah. Okay, one thing you miss, Bro Syahril or any of Bro Syahril tim nih? Boleh Bro Syahril lagi atau timnya, anggota tim
Ya.
yang lain? Give a persuading statement. Tadi udah dikasih semua poin bagusnya, sekarang coba dong kasih persuading statementnya. Persuade, conclude and persuade. Anyone? Bro Syahril lagi juga boleh.
Ada Bro Rahmat, ada Bro Chandra, ada
Oke,
Miss
Bro Rahmat, Bro Chandra, boleh nih. Siapa kira-kira? Untuk
siapa tadi?
conclusion dan juga persuading
Miss
statement-nya.
Yuni, Miss Amalia, bantuin, bantuin please.
Bro Rahmat. Silakan.
Oke, Bro Rahmat.
Okay, thank you, Bro Syahril, and for my team. Thank you, Sis Salma. I want to add the conclusion regarding the iPod, Android. Yeah, we choose Android because we have the title is user friendly for Android. Yeah, and we know Pak Syahril he give the many advantage for the Android. So I think we know that Android have 75% market share.
Yeah.
So I think we know everyone in di sekeliling kita ya, around us pasti have Android. So please buy the Android if you want to easy to use everywhere, whenever, and you can make easy to work lah gitu. That's all for me. Sis, maybe the others.
Yay, very good. Fantastic, Bro
Thank you.
Rahmat. Oke, tadi ada statementnya itu ya, if you want to work anywhere, anytime ya. That's very nice, Bro. Yes, very good. Yes. Oke, ini dari timnya Bro Syahril. Aduh, tadi Bro Syahril itu room 2 ya, kalau nggak salah. Ini dari tim 2 ya, berarti tim 2, very good. You have done, guys. Oke, nice. I'm gonna keep it first. Ya, aku akan simpan dulu nih untuk tim 2. Let's move on now to the second group. Kita pindah ke grup selanjutnya.
Miss
Anyone who
Meva.
is ready? Siapapun yang siap. Siapa nih?
Miss Meva is our delegation.
Okay. Sis Meva is your representation. Okay.
Yes.
Where is it? Oh, hello, Sis Meva. Are you ready to present your team ideas?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. So, hello everyone. My name is Sis Meva, and my team consists of Rosaria, Sis Grace, Sis Nelly, and Sis Tiana. Today we're talking about Android and its purpose. So, Android is more affordable for most people, while iPhone is much more expensive. But iPhone can be used on work, or if you are a photographer in that case. Android has been used a lot by many people over the years, but now a lot of young people choose to buy iPhone instead because of their camera quality. Even though Android doesn't have a good quality on their cameras, but Android has a lot of storage that can be used for daily life, and also the battery won't run out too fast. Android's battery can last for about 8 hours, while iPhone lasts for about 5 hours. Many people like to use Android because it's more understandable to use rather than iPhone or iOS. To those who want a new phone, I recommend you to buy the Android. But if you have your other opinions, then you can just buy iPhone. It's up to you if you want to buy iPhone, Android, or iOS. It's up to you. Not my opinion, but I just recommend for you to buy Android. That's all from me.
Okay, wow, wow. First of all, I want to give you a clap, sis. Very good. I love your tone a lot. Ya, aku suka banget sama tone-nya. This is the tone you can use to, catch the audience or the listeners' attention ya untuk program itu. Jadi suaranya asik banget. Hello, I'm Sis Meifa. Yes, today I'm going to present my group. Blah 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 blah. That's very great tone, anyways. Yeah, but here I'm gonna skip that first ya. Aku akan lewati dulu. Tapi mungkin one question for Sis Meifa, sis.
Yes.
Are you pros on for the iPhone or Android?
Yes.
What do you
Can you repeat
justify?
it, please? Can you repeat it?
What your team justify?
Justify
Android or iPhone?
Android.
Android. Okay, nice. Okay, I think that's enough ya from Sis Meifa. Tadi juga di ending udah I suggest you to buy iPhone. I'm gonna take it as a persuading statement, but if your group want to add any persuading statement, Sis Meifa, anyone from Sis Meifa's group? Untuk conclusion dan persuading statement, ada yang mau kasih lagi tambahannya?
Okay. Little bit
Bro
from me.
Surya. Your time is not much ya, Bro Surya. Maybe you can give for 2 minutes, please.
If you are someone who values flexibility and customization, Android may be the better choice for you. And in the other hand, if you value stability, security, and if streamline or use experience, maybe better you choose iOS. But you have another choice, Windows Phone. Windows Phone is better. Okay, that's all.
Okay. Nice, that's all for you. From you, Bro Surya?
Yes.
Okay, I'll take that as a closing statement, also the persuading one, yeah? Thank you for Sis Meifa's and team. Ya, very nice, very cool. Oke, nah ini aku minta sedikit aja ya, agak ekstra teman-teman biar selesai di malam ini aja. Oke, boleh kalau gitu the next team. The next team from Sis Meifa itu kalau nggak salah itu tim 1 ya, room 1 ya Sis Meifa? Ya, berarti room 3 nih, sekarang room 3 siapa nih? Tadi ada Sis Country kalau nggak salah.
Ya, Sis Country.
Ya, Sis Country, terus siapa lagi?
Seva.
Me, and then
Lilis.
Bro
Oh, ini
Cherry.
banyak
Cepi.
yang nggak oke, nggak apa-apa. Who is your representative Sis Country? Siapa perwakilan?
Lilis.
Oke, boleh berdua. Kalau ada dua nggak apa-apa. Boleh Sis Country dan Sis Lilis atau mungkin Sis Lilis dengan siapa?
Sis Country aja.
Okay. I will start in the beginning, but if you have any additional, you can jump in to the presenting, ya guys. Okay. But hello guys. my name is Kantri. I represent of my members. There are Miss Lilis, and then Miss Eva, and Bro Chepi, and I don't remember
You forget.
the
Yeah, you want to
one.
represent your team? Mhm.
Yes. And then today's agenda, I'd like to tell you about how to choose the smartphone based on your activities. The first thing, I'd like to ask you a question. Who you guys birth in 90s? Who's you guys birth in 90s? Can you answer my question?
Okay.
Not me.
You, okay, 90s? 90s? All right. Are you sure?
Well, I'm
Well,
confused. I was born in 2002, yeah, so
Okay,
kinda.
so Bro Surya, may I know what is the reason you, or what is your consideration to choose your smartphone?
Okay, what is your consideration to choose your smartphone?
Bersedia ayo.
Apa yang
Nokia.
kalian yang
I choose
menjadi
Nokia.
acuan kalian saat memilih
Yes.
sebuah handphone?
Yeah.
Apa yang diperlukan?
Because I like Nokia, so I use Nokia.
Okay.
Nokia
No,
use
I mean,
Nokia.
I mean, what
Memory.
is
The
that
reason, okay, memorinya.
you can
memorinya.
consider whether based on the memory, based on the camera,
no
based on
brand.
the
Best of brand.
Oh,
I'm
brand,
fan of
brand.
Nokia.
brand.
Okay, thank you. And then may I ask Bro Shahril? Bro
Yes.
Shahril, can you ask my question? So what is your consideration to choose your smartphone? Is it based on your camera's pixel, which is good or not, or you can save the lots of storage there?
Yeah, I think I use the smartphone for easy to use, easy to
Mhm.
use, and then they have a big
Memory.
memory.
Storage.
Okay, got it.
Already
Okay,
answered
thank
the
you.
question? Mhm.
Thank you, Bro Shahril. Okay, so guys, we have different classification here, the people classification here, right?
Mhm.
So how do we choose the good one for us? There are lots of reasons. First, it is based on the price, right? Two, based on the feature, how to use, how to easy to operate, and how to the smartphone can save your data. But in the reality, we have to choose the smartphone can include all the things in one brand, right? So I recommend you to choose the Android. Why? Because Android have wide price range that can affordable price. I mean, and then let we talk. In the low price, we have like Redmi. We have the Chinese brand, China brand, but they have a good quality in the storage. But if you consider based on the camera, we have Samsung, like the Fold type, the Fold series, that can compete to the iOS. So the Android can win. If you choose the iOS, yes, the brand is the very famous, right? Yeah, as Bro Surya said, the from the beginning, the Apple can bring it up you to the highest level as a modernity to use. But iPhone have a limitation to save your storage. They have a limitation also to provide a free applications. Yeah, as we know, the Indonesian people really interesting to download lots of application there, right? So the Android can provide a wide range of the memory. So we recommend you, if you wanna have a good smartphone, have a good quality in the camera, and you can operate it easily, you can use the Android. Yeah, I think that's all from my team. So anyone can add something here, guys?
Yeah.
I'm disagree about I disagree because Android is not safe. The security is low.
Yeah, I know. So that's why I
Yeah,
said that it is
because
depend
Android is
on your
open source.
preferences.
Yes,
It is
because
depend
Android
on your
is
preferences.
open source. They're using Linux for the base of the application, and Linux, we know Linux is open source. So for security, mm, Android is very bad
I know,
for
I know,
security.
I know, I know, I
Mm.
know. So I use the iOS too as well. So, but I said this, it is represents of the several people classification here. It's not only for businessmen or something else. The Android can involve all the people classification. It's not only for businessmen. That
Yeah.
that
Fantastic.
yeah,
Okay,
that
thank you.
yeah.
Sis
Okay, thank
Yandri,
you.
I think that's already explains all ya. Itu sudah menjelaskan semuanya ya. And also you already give a persuading statement. I think that's enough ya. Well, that's it for presentation, everyone. For the first presentation, and you all did that. That was very amazing. Very good. Ya, semuanya sudah sangat bagus ya, sangat baik. You already got your strong point ya, from what I catch ya. Dari yang aku tangkap, masing-masing dari tim kalian tuh sudah memiliki strong point-nya. I don't know, is this like in team ya, or maybe like a personal or individual sign gitu ya. The first group that present their ideas, ini ada grupnya Bro Syahril and team ya, Bro Syahril and team. The strong point of Bro Syahril and team is that they are, they are very, how do I say that ya? Jadi kayak yang masa sekarang gitu ya, kayak latest condition ya. That's what they compare gitu. Itu yang mereka tunjukkan gitu. Situasi saat ini, situasinya terkini gitu ya. So it's like facts ya. The current fact ya, fakta saat ini kayak gitu ya. That's it. But the minus maybe that's it ya. You miss the conclusion and also the persuading statement-nya gitu ya. But don't worry because you have added ya kan, karena sudah ditambahkan juga tadi a little bit about your engage with the audience ya. Dengan engage kepada audiensnya itu juga jangan lupa ya. Dan tone ya, dengan intonasi, dengan tanya kalimat ya kan, rhetorical question and stuff ya, itu juga bisa ditambahkan. That's for Bro Syahril team. And then, but you already did well, so don't be crazy. Yeah, you can do better next time. Because it's Mayfa here, I already told you your strong points is Mayfa. I love your tone, yeah, and I love your pronunciation anyways. Also, maybe the minus here is that I ask you to justify just one product, yeah, by comparing two products. Jadi, you're not explain or you're not presenting two products, yeah, you're not presenting these both products, yeah, but you pick only one, ya. Jadi kalian seharusnya hanya ngambil satu. Nah, nanti produk lain ini hanya menjadi perbandingan aja to show ya, to justify that the product that you choose is better than the other one. Kalau yang kalian pilih itu lebih baik daripada yang satunya lagi ini. Like that. So that's confused me at the first time. Jadi agak membingungkan di awal-awal ya, because you give two explanation. You explain about iPhone, iPhone apa ya, kayak poin plusnya iPhone, and then you move to the Android, and then you move to the iPhone, move to the Android, yeah. So it's a little bit unclear.
Sorry.
But however, that's very nice, yeah. And I highly suggest you to, when you give a suggestion, don't give suggestion based on your own personal
Personal opinion.
preferences. Because you say that I suggest you like that, yeah. You can use another synthesis because you also discuss with your team, and with all of the evidence that you already gathered, it will be such a, akan sangat sayang ya kalau evidence tadi yang udah disebutin itu tidak dipakai untuk persuading statement ya. Like that, but you did very well ya, Sis Meifa. Next time ini we got Sis Kantri. I love the real time data ya that you provide, Sis Kantri. Menyediakan real time data ya, langsung engage dengan audiensnya, and the moment you ask, tadi ada yang 90s, and then the moment you ask Bro Syahril about his opinion, then I catch like, oh, this is very cool ya. Ini sangat bagus. Kenapa? Karena membandingkan, comparing between generation to generation, right, Sis Kantri? Membandingkan antara generasi dan ke generasi gitu ya. But when I visit your group, ya, your point is very clear, Sis Kantri. Poinnya sangat jelas ya. Yeah. So maybe like the oldest, yeah, the older, they don't care actually about the security and stuff. That could be a very good point. They just got interesting about the camera, like the camera gitu ya. But I don't know why. Yeah, I think you missed something because it sounds like not stronger than what I see or what I heard in the discussion tadi. Yes, maybe you're comparing as well gitu ya. Jadi sambil berpikir presentasinya, tapi it's okay, well that's it everyone ya, itu aja, very good. Next time kita akan lebih banyak presentasi dan diskusi lagi, so don't worry ya, anyone can explore, you can be better. A little bit aja about ini. Oh sorry. Nah ini dia, kelihatan nggak? Aduh kecil banget. Oke, ini tadi pas aku visit, aku juga nyatet beberapa grammar error ya. Aku lupa ini dari siapa-siapa aja, intinya ini aku jadikan satu aja lah ya. Oke, ini yang pertama ada more bigger. Nah, more bigger, jadi kalau sudah ada R di belakang, ya tidak usah pakai more lagi ya. Ini artinya sudah bigger aja, sudah cukup, artinya sudah lebih besar gitu ya. Jadi bigger, biggest, bigger itu lebih besar, biggest itu paling besar. Oke, ini ada comparison sama superlatif ya, komparatif superlatif dari namanya. Terus the staff asking me, ini aku ingat banget tadi konteksnya adalah bercerita tentang masa lampau. Oke, kejadian lampau ya di saat membeli handphone kalau aku nggak salah. Oke, jadi in the first one, if you want to use asking verb ing, make sure harus ada to be-nya. Oke, so you get two options. Jadi ada dua pilihan ya, either the staff was asking me or the staff asked me, atau pakai yang ini ya. Jadi past simple langsung. Ya, verb to. That's it. Next one, ini ada phone cell. Sis Lilis, aku masih ingat banget. Cell phone, Sis Lilis, in English. Kalau di dalam bahasa Indonesia ya, kita bilang ponsel, bener banget, ponsel gitu ya. Ponsel, actually not ponsel, but ponsel ya kan. In English, cell phone, smartphone, gadget, or handphone, that's pretty familiar ya. Jadi bisa pakai itu aja, cell phone. And then this one, I think from Sis Kantri, ya. It is, remember ya, to be always always it by ing ya kan, so you can say either it depends or it is depending, tapi based on what you like your context ya, you can use it depends ya. Emang susah karena kita biasanya it's-nya bukan depends-nya ya kan. Sometimes
we call the S like
yes, exactly, karena biasanya kita it's so easy, it's so hard, it's gitu kan. Kita nggak terbiasa bilang itu it aja terus it depends gitu ya. It's okay, that's it ya. Dan this one to operating, ingat ya kalau to itu selalu to infinitive teman-teman. Jadi to tidak bisa dibarengi oleh bentuk lain selain verb bentuk aslinya. Oke. Ingat ya, kalau verb. Oke, kalau verb. Operate di sini adalah sebuah verb ya kan, sebuah kata kerja. Jadi to operate aja, atau kalau mau pakai operating kita bisa ganti dengan for ya, for operating. Like that, ya. Last one ini poin plus dari Sis Meifa yang tadi aku catat sebenarnya, atau kayak kalimat-kalimat persuading ya. Ini kayak SEO-nya gitu ya. Ada flexibility. Oh enggak. Ini dari brosur ya tadi. Aku suka brosurnya pakai kata flexibility. Terus ini tadi daily life ya, itu dari Sis Meiva. Nah ini bagus banget. Kalian bisa pakai ini. Nanti next time mungkin aku bisa share a little bit about SEO and others ya, dan yang lainnya. Okay, that's it for tonight. Oh my God, ini bonusnya 18 menit. Is that okay,
Thank
everyone?
you.
Is that okay for you?
Fine.
Kalian nggak apa-apa?
Yeah, it's okay.
You it's
Doesn't
okay.
matter.
Never mind.
Thank you.
Okay, then any questions so far before I close? Sebelum aku tutup, ada yang mau ditanyakan lagi?
I think now.
So far, so good.
I
Yeah,
think
so far, so
now.
good.
Thank you.
So far, so good. Yeah, that's enough. Pretty good. All right, then. If there is no more question, I'm going to end this meeting. Thanks a lot for having me and giving me some extra time. Yeah, anyone? I appreciate your motivation. I appreciate your energy. Yeah, to being here tonight. Okay. Have a great night. Have a great rest, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye. Good night.
Thank you, Miss Salma. Thank you, Miss Lilis.